Literally doing an install. Did you just pick that up, bro?
Oh, damn.
Okay.
The full install.
The full install. All right. In the parking lot, man.
In the parking lot. Best place to do it.
Are we still live? It'll look a lot better without that cover.
Look fast. We're gonna hear it too. It's gonna be crazy.
You hear the girl slurp?
Yep. And it's literally gonna be cold air coming out, man, because it's kind of cold right now.
I know mine doesn't do anything. My KNS 57 doesn't do anything. It is a showpiece. So I hope you have better luck. Or something.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Who'd you buy it off of? Chris? Somebody?
Hey, you got a basketball?
Yeah, totally, man.
You're proud. You are a basketball.
Oh shit, I didn't even know this had a electric heater. Sweet. Let me just shift from this car.
What year is this thing?
2005.
2005? Nice. How much you get it for, bro?
45,000?
Nice. It's pretty clean, man.
Oh, it was brand new.
Yeah.
It was brand new when I got it.
Yeah.
Should probably take this thing out first. That's right spot.
Look at that. It's probably like 24 horse, eh? For sure. To the wheels? That's what
No, it's like 15. Minus the negative. They say that, but they talk a lot of shit about things.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get it in or out?
Oh, I think it's...
Oh, yeah, that thing. There you go.
We're all learning here, guys.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Just a nice tight fit there, bud. Now I just gotta shove her in. Oh, yeah, just get in there, bud.
Oh, my man. There you go. See, that's family right there.
You want the spec here, right? So you want to
What do I want it then? What?
Yeah.
See that I got a...
Yeah, see? Look,
there, bud?
spec.
still gives us
Spec.
some friggin' flash, some pizzazz.
That
You want to turn
extra,
it around and, you know,
that extra horror
put
curves?
what is the K&N sticker on it? The future is that nut.
I'll definitely give it a nut or two.
Here? Yeah. I don't know how.
That don't look like it's gonna fit, bro.
No, wait, look at that.
Oh, it's gonna fit. Yeah, just pull it. Yeah, there you go. I think you need like some hose clamp boys in there. Give her a start, bro. Give her a start. Give her a start, man. Oh.
Got it started.
You got it started. There you go. Oh, yeah. Sounds way better, for sure. Yeah, sucky, yeah. Sucky, for sure. Oh, yeah?
Make sure it's doing the sucky up.
Yeah, he's doing a sucky.
So, what do you suggest I do for this hole here? Just,